All right, so let's get started with adding some alert notifications inside the did complete with error. So we'll move on to the did complete with authorization after. Okay, so first thing we gotta do, so we want to log our errors inside our debugger. So we'll use the logger. Let's instantiate that first. So let logger equal logger. Okay, all right, and then next we have to safely unwrap the error. So we'll do guard let authorization error equals error as optional AS authorization error right here. Okay, else return. Okay, all right, and then we'll just put logger dot error unexpected authorization error. We'll put error dot localize description. Okay, all right, and if we safely unwrap the error, we'll do an if statement on the error code. Okay, and if the error code is canceled, um, that means the request was canceled on the user side. So we'll do a message log request canceled. Okay, else we'll just do a regular error message error, and then we'll have the error as ns error dot user user. Let's see, do something wrong. Let's see, maybe I had to s ns error dot user info. There we go. Hopefully that works. All right, okay, so with that we still have to create these NS notification to post these error alerts, right? So we have to create separate functions in our account WebAuthn account manager to send these notifications to our other view controllers. So for those, let's see, where's a good place to put it? Maybe we could put it at the bottom, but you know what? Let's just put it at the bottom, just make it easier. Okay, so these well, there's a few notifications that we need to create, right? So one is for signing in the user in the main view controller once everything goes well with the authorization. The other is to present the error in our create account view controller if anything happens. There's a few that I already have made previously on our account manager right here, as you can see. So just to make it a little easier, I'm just going to copy all of them since I already have them implemented in the view controllers and the other view controllers. So these will be the notifications, right? So next we should add our present AS authorization error alert we created in the in the error block. So if anything happens, right, on with the and there's an error right here, we should represent an alert in the view controller. So let's see if there was an authorization here error here. We'll do self dot present AS authorization alert, right? And we could also put that here, or let's put it right here. Okay, all right. And if I believe, if I go back to my let's see, because this one is, I believe, is presented in the either create account or sign in view controller. Let's see. I think it's in the sign in. Yeah, present AS authorization error right there. And this one presents the following alert right here. So it's a UI alert controller that says, oops, there was an error with generating a passkey. Please try again. Okay, sounds good. So yeah, this will, but if this was presented in the create account view controller, if it's currently presenting the create account view controller, we will present that alert there. But other than that, if not, it'll present normally in the sign in view controller, as you can see in this else statement. All right. Okay, so moving on from there, I believe that should be our authorizations error for that. But just to show you at the very top of the sign in view controller. Okay, so pretty much if we go back to our WebAuthn side, our notification center will post these following NS notifications, right? That we've created right over here with the following names. And then in our sign in view controller, we create these observers and they're type NS object protocol optional. And then when the view is loaded or appeared, I think I put it, yeah, I put it under view did appear. We'll have the observer uh, declared with the by adding the observer with the NS following NS notifications, and then pretty much whenever it'll listen to whenever at the WebAuthn account manager triggers these notifications, it will trigger what is in the following view controller, right? So in this case will be our sign in view controller. So anytime if the user successfully signs in, the following did finish sign in will trigger, right? So it'll clear the or reset the username text field or password text field, and then if the create account view controller is currently presented, it'll dismiss it and then lead to the main view controller, right? If everything is successful on this end. And same with the error alerts right here. As you can see, we have username has already been taken. Please try again. And then we have username or password is invalid. Please try again. There was an error with generating a passkey. Please try again. There was an error signing in with a passkey used. Please try again with the different passkeys. So yeah, these will be our notifications that will be listened on the sign in view controller, but also the create view controller. Let's see if I have it here just to show you. You did load. Okay. Do I have any observers here? Okay, doesn't look like I have. I I believed I just put them here logically if they're presented. Yeah, so doesn't look like I have any in the create account view controller. But yeah, that's it for the observers. Other than that, we can move on to our did complete with authorization function now. So we'll stop the video here and then we'll continue from there.